Yo, what is good, everybody? Thank you for tuning in to another Photoshop tutorial. It's your girl Mo. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, press that like button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop some heat on you. This is gonna be a voiceover, so we gonna get it in. Let's go ahead. Alright, so basically I told y'all that this is gonna be a voiceover, so it's gonna be a lot of talking, you feel me? Basically explaining what I'm doing on this flyer. So this was a flyer that was brought to me by a dude named DJ Fly Fred. He a DJ, man, one of the livest DJs in Louisiana, you feel me? So let's see, he came to me with an example. He wanted a paper tear kind of theme. He had an example, example flyer. Many people don't have that when they come to me. They just be like, "Mo, do your thing," you know what I mean? So basically, I'm trying to create what he sent to me again, and basically, it was a paper tear. You feel me? So right now, I'm actually creating the tear. I done made it a different color. It was blue. I made it black. He wanted a black paper, and it tear into a red paper background. So that's what I'm trying to do. I copied both of the tears where I got the tears from. I copied them and I put them together, glued them together, right? Right now it look like I'm trying to erase. Yeah, okay. So right now I'm trying to sample that color of gray. It's really gray. Uh, you wouldn't really see this effect on black. You know what I'm saying? It makes it less interesting just because he is already wearing a black hoodie, if you noticed. So just give it an off black, you know, a little ashy black. You feel me? They really won't mind. And right now I'm doubling up on that tear just to give another kind of dimension, another effect, and I'm erasing everything around it. That'll make you can make that a different color. You can make it white. I think I actually made it red and white in the long run, but you can just have like a double tear, like you got two pieces of paper. You feel me? All right, there go the red background, and I made the background actually a gradient. So if you use black on each end of a gradient, it'll blend perfectly. Now that's an overlay. That's a paper overlay. Basically, it gives that effect. And right now I'm having trouble of blending the tear to the paper overlay. And the reason I'm having the trouble is because I didn't take the overlay all the way to the top and put it on top of everything except for Fly Fred himself. And I actually don't want it on top of my I don't really want nothing on top of my words, you know what I'm saying? Unless I'm trying to give off that effect of putting something on top of the words. Now, I don't know why I chose to cut this person out last, but usually I get all my subjects together and I cut them out. It makes it easy. It makes an easier workflow. So just take that tool right there, the pen tool, and cut them out. Once you place them, you want to make them look like he in that environment. That's why I gave off that I think it's called bevel and the emboss. It gives a rim around the subject, like a white rim, and that'll mean light coming from the back. So you really want to make the subject look like he in whatever he in. If he on the flyer, you make him look like he a part of the flyer. You see what I'm saying? A little color correction won't hurt there either. Right now I'm lining everything up, making my text white, just because we got that black background now. Spacing everything, choosing, selecting my text, the font that I want to use. What you doing now, Mo? Sleep? All right, put them down there. Put a if I have a subject standing up like that, then I want to put a shadow on them. You know. Also, Fly Fred put a shadow. You know, put a shadow behind him. He wanted this crown going on. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I actually had to make him a new head too, cause the top of the head is cut off. So I had to take another him and make another side of his head. I have to do that when y'all send me photos that's chopped off and stuff, and your arms not in the picture all the way, and your head chopped off and stuff like that. Sometimes have to take you again and make whatever I can make out of it. Choosing the font color, making his name stand out more because that's the person who ordered the flyer and he is headlining the flyer. So you always want to show some gratitude to that and make them bigger than the rest. If you can see back there where I got the title at is gold, and it's a different kind of offset gold than what's going on than the crown. That make the crown sit out. It make the crown not get lost in that gold. I'm a fan of gold. If you look at my work, I like a lot of gold. I like slapping some shine on there. What I'm doing right now, make the jewels shine a little bit. You could put an overlay on that. I should have actually left it like this with him in black and white, but I didn't think it popped out more, so I ended up deleting it and just, take your favorite flares and put you some flares on that thing, man. Make it shine, It's a party, you feel me? And a secret to making, because somebody once told me that my flyers look wet, right? The secret to making your flyers look wet with color is after you done sitting done, take a overlay color and just mask it out with the color. So you may put blue, red, whatever you want to do, and just enhance it. You can do that with saturation too. Just enhance it. Just bump that up just a little bit. Don't get crazy where it start getting speckled and everything, but enhance that sucker. You know what I'm saying? There I go with the tears, giving that red, that dark red, and leaving the other side white, so it can look like it's really ripping in paper. You know what I'm saying? I was gonna use this bottle, decided not to. Got the bigger bottle, the same size as the dude, one ratchet that's performing on there, and I know I spelled performance wrong, but I fixed it. I offset it. DJ Fly Fred, offset him because everything else is so straight up and down, you know what I'm saying? And then he got his hand out there and the mic out there, and it's kind of already pushing it to the side. Then give the people something else to look at, you know what I'm saying? Shove it over to the left. So that's the final result. I hope you guys like this tutorial. You could do a favor for me and hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Hit that subscribe. We on the way to 400 subscribers, y'all. 400. We trying to get there, all right? Is it 4 or 5? Okay, 400 subscribers, man. So that'll really help us out. If you hit that, y'all stay safe. COVID is still out. Wear your mask, social distance, be safe. Until next time, see you guys later.